Hello guys, today we are going to learn about semiconductor diodes. What is a semiconductor diode? A basic electronic component made of semiconductor materials such as germanium, silicon or other compound semiconductors is called a semiconductor diode. It is two-terminal, permit current to flow mainly in one direction while obstructing it in the other. A diode's primary job is to regulate the flow of current. Here are few common type of semiconductor diode. First one is p-n junction diode. A diode of the simplest kind made by combining an n-type semiconductor with a p-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductor means a negatively charged electron and p-type means positively charged holes. There are two types, one is electron, another is hole. Hole is positively charged and electron is negative charge, and it blocks current flowing in the reverse bias direction and permits current flow when a forward voltage is applied across it. Often used for signal demodulation, rectification and voltage regulation. And the primary job of a diode is just to allow current to flow in a one direction. And second diode is Zener diode. What is the specialty of Zener diode? Especially made to function in the region of reverse breakdown. It begins to conduct heavily in a opposite direction when the reverse voltage reach a certain value, also refers to as the Zener voltage, where it is being used, utilizing frequently in circuits for surge protection and voltage regulation. Next diode is Shockley diode. Why do we need Shockley diode? Made through the joining of semiconductor material, usually a doped semiconductor and a metal with a metal. What dope means? Doping means combining two different kind of material on a single layer. And next is preferred over conventional p-n junction diode due to its quick switching speed and reducing forward voltage dip. Got it? Shockley diode is used over p-n junction diode because p-n junction diode is a primary and it's little advanced. And application is in power rectification, clamping, diodes and high frequency application. And next is varactor diode. Why do we need varactor diode? Displays a variable capacitance when the voltage is applied. Those were kind of fixed diode, but it is variable capacitance. It has variable capacitance. Used in tuning circuits for radio and microwave frequency application, frequency multipliers and voltage control oscillators. This is the symbol. You can see there is a capacitance at the cathode end, and also focus on this. This is the Shockley diode and this is the simple symbol you can see, and this is the Zener diode and this is the p-n junction diode symbol. Got it? Okay. Next is tunnel diode. Why do we need tunnel diode? What is its specialty? Features a negative resistance region in its current voltage characteristic, meaning that as the voltage rises, the current falls. Got it? The voltage will rise, then current will fall. Because it can operate at very high frequency, it is used in high speed oscillators, amplifiers and microwave application. Okay. Here are the couple of diode which I have mentioned. You have already gone through the light emitting diode, which is frequently being used. We normally use LED, and there is couple of more diode which you can go ahead and dig and you can check what are those, like photodiode, pin diode, avalanche diode, gun diode, step recovery diode, and there is gold doped diode. You can go ahead and you can check. Our next topic would be introduction to bipolar transistor. If you need more explanation, you can do comment and I'll surely go ahead and explain each and everything with the depth. This is just the introductory video. If you want to know in depth, just do comment and I'll surely go ahead and provide you the detailed video. Thank you.